To customize always on display in Realme GT8 Pro, first of all we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to select home screen and lock screen options. Scroll down to the always on display right there and then make sure it's activated. After that you'll be able to first pick a mode. You can go for a full screen always on display, seamless, or even classic. So you can see already all of the differences on those images, and additionally you can scroll down to the personalized, recent, or system always on display styles, and depending on whichever one you choose, you will have different options for customization. For example, the custom one that I've picked right here, I can change to different colors for that line. I can change the paintbrush style and adjust the size for it. We can also switch to different shapes, and we can also go for a random options to just roll for the random different pattern. But as I said, this is the one thing. You can find different patterns if you go back and select different ones right here. So that is how you can customize it. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.